Hello again, my name is Katon, housekeeping manager, Katon Hotel and Staybridge with hotel located on South Lake Union, Seattle downtown. This two-day training, we would like to show you how the basic vacuuming the hallway, the hotels. So we have two types of vacuum cleaner in the industry. One we call canister type, which is only one tanks only, and most often the hotel using the upright model. So why is it upright? Because there is a two motor, one motor to extract the dust and one motor to agitating the brush, which is located on the bottom. So that's it. Vacuum cleaner upright have the yellow cable color. The reason is just to attract the people, so you don't need to use any other safety sign, because people will know that there is a vacuuming ongoing by the color, which is very attractive. So in here there is some sort of hose that attached into the machine. So this is attached to the machine, and then some sort of advice of troubleshooting. When you look at on the back, you can pull in this one. There is electrical circuit here. Make sure this electrical circuit was connected into the electrical circuit which is available on the vacuum machine itself. Why? Oftenly when you do vacuuming, at the end the vacuum cleaner will stop, and then you think because of the cable. No, because of this head handle must be attached accordingly to the vacuum machine and lock it. Right, now take the electric cord, which is you can use some extension cord, or vacuum cleaner itself coming with the long cord, and just plug it into very end of the electric plug. So the machine is running. So the way we do vacuuming the hallway, basic, is take the hose and then use your shoulder to holding the cable, just like that. Then you starting first into the corner of the hallway or the side of the hallway. The reason is because when people step into the hallway, the dust will stick into this corner or base. So you will start vacuuming the hallway with clean the base first, all the way along. Then you attach it back to the vacuum, and then bring the vacuum machine, you clean the middle of the hallway. When stop up to here, you take up again the handle, and then flipping it, you go backward to hit the corner of the carpet. So I did not running the vacuum machine, so that's why, in order not avoiding the quality of the video that I'm creating because noise. So hopefully you get some sort of basic the way to vacuuming the hallway at the hotel. Again, thank you so much. Please subscribe to the channel below and have a wonderful day.